All right, what we have here is take a look at the starter rows that we have available with our panels. The starter rows come in varying lengths. This is one of our shortest ones. It has the same backing and should be installed the same way. These are handed. They should start at the top right of your space. So as an example, assuming I have my top row, this next row would go tight to your wall. If you can pretend with me that here this is a wall. And you get that in place, and then when you come in with your next panel, you're overlapping the backing on these, and its job is to disguise any gaps that might exist. And you get that in place, make sure it's tight to your next row up, make sure it's tight over, and you're ready for the next row down. Okay, the next row down, we have another starter row. We're going to line that up to our wall again. And our next piece goes in the same way. Get that up, make sure it's tight to your panel above, and make sure it's snug into your starter panel. And you can start to see how this gives you a very random look. You know, the thick are going to be random. There's some shorter pieces that are going to be random throughout the field. Okay, and we're going to do one more starter row here. This is one of our mediums. Line it up, and again take our next panel, make sure we're tight. That backer helps disguise any gaps that might exist between the tile, and there we have it.